Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Squishy the chipmunk on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then you can see there is wallet in the top, you can click it. And then as you can see there is Alpha here in the top. And also you can see there is newest here. You can see there is Squishy in the newest page. You can click it, and then as you can see this is the chart. It's very early, and you have to understand that the risk is very high. So yeah, not financial advice, but if you want to buy it you can just click swap here and you can swap your USDC to Squishy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.